This video will review addition reactions from the perspective of the Alberta Chem 30 organic chemistry unit perspective. The first review example is going to be adding a small molecule like hydrogen gas to a ene, in this case ethene. In addition reactions, you're only ever breaking a second or third bond in an organic compound. So that second bond in our ethene can break, and we can add one of the hydrogens to each side of that double bond from our black hydrogen gas. So our product will be the 2 carbons with the 4 blue H's in their same connections. When the double bond breaks, the carbon gets 1 extra bonding capacity, and a H can add to each side. So carbon has 4 bonds, the double bond breaks, it goes down to 3, and then the hydrogen adds and it goes back to 4. So we turned an ene into an ane. Now our hydrogen gas is symmetric right to left, so it didn't matter which H we added to which side, we got the same product. When you add a molecule that is not symmetric right to left, you have to consider the 2 potential products that you could have. Looking at adding HCl to ethene, the H, black H, could add to either the left-hand carbon or the right-hand carbon, okay, giving us 2 different potential products. Now in this case, whether you add the H to the right or the left side, you get the same name molecule. I'll add the H to the left-hand side first. So our product, again, all the blue carbon to hydrogen bonds have not changed. We're just breaking that second bond. And the HCl adds 1 to each side, and we get chloroethane. Now if I switch the H and the Cl around, we would still have chloroethane. We have the same molecule, it has the same name, so I only have to show it once. Do not draw the same molecule twice if it is in fact the same molecule, just rotated or flipped. When we add HCl to propene, we do get 2 different molecules with 2 different names, so we must draw both of those molecules. So I'm going to start by drawing all the blue bonds that aren't breaking. I'm going to add the black H of our HCl to the left-hand side, the chlorine to the middle, and we get a 2-chloropropane. Okay. Now that HCl could have added the other way around, and you must show that second possibility. So there are 2 organic products. Okay, so now the chlorine is going to go in the 1 position and the hydrogen in the middle. So we have the 2 answers that you must have for this course, the 2-chloro and the 1-chloropropane. You also need to balance your chemical reactions. We are going to need 2 of the propenes in order to make both of those products. We're going to need 2 HCl molecules in order to make those 2 products. Okay. Now at the Chem 30 level, you only need to list the 2 potential products. In college or university level chemistry, you will learn which one is more favored, the major product, and which one is the minor. Okay. Here we're listing all possibilities. That concludes the review of addition reactions for Chemistry 30.